First, I'm going to change the app so when you hit the order button, it's going to show amount due $10 or whatever the price is. Since there's going to be a lot of combinations where I'm going to need the price, I'm just going to create an integer variable to hold the price. Notice that the int is lowercase I because it's a primitive data type. Now I can just refer to the price variable whenever I want the price number. Now I need to change the string so it says amount due. So I'm going to write amount due, add a space, and then concatenate that with the price variable. Oh, and I forgot the $sign as well. The $sign should be part of this string literal, and I want it to be after a space, so I'll put it right here. Now I'm going to run it. If I change quantity to 3 and then hit the order button, then it correctly shows amount due $15. First one done, that wasn't too bad. Next, we want it to say that would be $10, please. I'm going to change this text to start with that would be, and then I want a $sign, the price, and then I want some more text after that. I should say please, and a period. I add a space here because I want a space after the price. Let's check to see what that looks like. On the device, if I change quantity to 3, hit the order button, it says that would be $15, please. Now the second one's done. We're on a roll. The third one says, you owe $10, dude. I'm going to change the start of this string to be you owe, and then I'm going to remove the $sign because we just need the price, and then we're going to add bucks, comma, dude. That looks correct. Let's run that. When I hit the order button, it says you owe $15, dude. The fourth one is a little tricky. We want to say $10 for 2 cups of coffee, pay up. I see a need for 2 variables here, the price variable and the quantity variable. We're going to start with the price, which is 10, and then we're going to say dollars for, and then I need to put the quantity, and then cups of coffee, and then pay up. Let's run that. If I hit the order button, then it says $15 for 3 cups of coffee, pay up. That looks really good. This was tricky because we had 2 variables here concatenated with 2 string literals. Fortunately, we added spaces in the right place so that it would look like a normal sentence. That was the hardest one, and now we can do the last one that says total, $10. I'm going to erase this whole thing here and say total, space, and then the price. Oh, but I also need the $sign, so I'm going to put that inside the string literal. Oh, and I forgot the plus sign too. There. Now let's run the app. If I change quantity to 3, hit order, then it correctly says total, $15. Woohoo! You got through all of these different combinations of string concatenation with variables. Now move on to the next video for your last coding task of this lesson.